Alright, so figure make a semi-informative video here about my CX Racing water pump. What we're going to do is we're going to make a mount for it. So what we got here, I took like a 3-inch coupler for intercooler. I'm going to wrap that in such. I can cut it down to size, so that way it's in there, so it'll be like a rubber insulator. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to wrap this piece of steel around it, and then I'll fold over the ends. We'll put some bolts on there so you can clamp it down, and then we'll like put a back plate that I'll probably just weld on there because it's easier to just weld it. So I'll just weld it right on there, and then you can just bolt it right on. So let's get this thing made and get it put in the damn car. Okay, so this is what we're going to be going for. I'm going to have this up on the ledge here. So this will be sitting up on the ledge, like so. Alright, and then this guy will be sitting on there, like so. So now we'll go weld this on, and then we'll come mount it. So far so good. That's where we're at. Yeah, it's like folded over, and then I'll just have two bolts holding it together. Should work good. Alright, well there it is. Real fancy like. So hopefully it won't like wiggle down because I have to install it upside down. So, but then we'll just put it in there like so. Just 2 self-tappers with my perfectly drilled straight holes. Yeah, let's go throw it in there and we'll see what she looks like. Alright, so here we are. It's in there, mounted down there like so. Should be alright. And I just gotta cut this guy a little bit shorter, and then it'll go right into the bottom. And then this guy will come out and it'll go to there, and then it'll come back into this one. So that's pretty much it. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this one. That's how you make a little mount for your CX Racing water pump. And this is 3/4 inch line. Alright, no, this is 7/8, but 3/4 inch is basically what you need. But 7/8 goes on there real nice. So
Home Depot special.
Home Depot special, $12. $12 for like 10 feet of it. So, well, that's gonna be it for this one. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.